The last part of your claim, madam.
Yeah, and I've turned around and I said, I want £50 for backing you up to give you a reference for your landlord, your landlord, for you to get his place where I've had to give the reference.
You had to give a new reference.
To help him to get
Thank
the
you very
flat.
much. You provided him with that reference.
Yes.
Just to be clear, she gave you a good reference, did she not?
Yes.
An excellent one, in effect. Certainly one that was satisfactory for you to rent a new property.
That's right.
How much should he pay for the cost of his true reference?
£50.
Are you able to rent that room to a new prospective tenant, if you so wished, in the next month?
Yes.
Understood. Thank you very much. I'm going to give a judgment now, which means I will be talking and neither party will be. Despite my legal concerns about the nature of the agreement, I'm satisfied it was a tenancy. And as a matter of law, she promised to put your deposit money in a tenancy deposit scheme. The law gives me, in circumstances where I believe this to be a very bad breach of the law, it gives me the right to consider what I must do, including elevating an applicant's damages. In the course of the evidence that I've heard from Marjorie, she tells me quite categorically that she always puts deposit money in her own bank account and never uses a scheme. That is bad and unlawful. Consequently, sir, in the circumstances, I'm prepared to award you twice the value of your claim. Your initial claim was for £400 for the return of the deposit. I believe this is a serious and egregious breach. I award you twice that sum. This court awards you £800, sir. In response, Marjorie, I'll deal with each of your claims in turn. I dismiss your claim out of hand for £800 for the rent in August. That was a retaliatory claim. You allowed him to leave his stuff there, and at no point did he have any contractual obligation to pay you. In respect of the £400 for rent, now he has return of his deposit, your claim fails. In respect of the reference, you are not, madam, unless there was some other contract or something I've not heard of, any right whatsoever for you to charge him for writing something true about him, which in fact you did. Consequently, madam, despite listening to your claim, this court dismisses your application for £1,250 and awards you £800. Madam, I understand it's very difficult when you rent rooms in your own house. You have to be specially careful. But if you are renting these rooms as part of an assured short-hold tenancy scheme, whether you want to or not, or whether you think you're doing the right thing or not, you have to put the money in a scheme. Otherwise, another judge could award even 3 times the sum that I've awarded today. Do you understand? The order of this court is £800.
Jesse won his case and was awarded the full amount of his claim, plus another £400 in damages. Defendant Marjorie's counterclaim was dismissed. Let's find out how both parties felt about their day in court.
Can I go over here? I do not want to be near this person.
I'm very happy I won the case. I obviously didn't want it to come to this necessarily, and it's a shame that Marjorie's so upset. However, I think the experience of living there and the difficulty I had getting my money back, I feel very justified today. I mean, as much as my current place is through a letting agency, and as much as there are fees with that, I think it's worth it not to have to go through this rigmarole.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.